For
And-
me, it's Maharashtra.
No, because you're from Maharashtra. Be honest.
I am very honest. I'm
Andhra
very
Pradesh is
honest
more
as a
safer
girl.
than-
I am very honest. See, whenever I walk on road, people stare me that they haven't seen a girl. So for me, it's insecure. Marathi में बोलूं?
Say.
I'll say in Marathi.
Yeah, say
Please channel वरती like, share, subscribe आणि comment करा.
in English. Maharashtra is the richest state in India here, and we want to know more about that. And today we have someone here from Maharashtra, and she's going to tell us what is the difference between Maharashtra state and Andhra Pradesh state in India here. If you want to know more about that, let's go and we're going to talk about that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Peace. Welcome to East Monarchs, the French boy. Okay, Miss Pratiksha, you know, everybody know who you are. I don't even need to introduce you and everything. You are from Maharashtra, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and today we want to know the difference. First of all, we want to know like the difference between like people who live in Maharashtra and people who live in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
Yeah, first of all.
Okay. So in Andhra, I am here. It's just recently been 3 years.
Yeah.
So the difference between I can see from Andhra people and Maharashtrian people are very polite. Andhra people are very rude. Sorry to say that, but they are rude. We are new here, but they treat us like we are some foreigners. Even I am in Indian, they treat me as foreigners. For everything, they'll charge me more. If I have to take an auto,
Yeah.
they will ask me for like more than triple times the rate.
Yes.
That is not done in Maharashtra. Okay, if you are outsider, they treat you as you are guest for us.
Yes.
This is the difference. Then here people are okay. I can say I have friends. They are good. They are polite and even friendly though. And compared to Maharashtra, even I have friends there. They are good, polite, harmless people there too. In Andhra Pradesh, see, there was one weak point which I don't like it. People don't consider we as like they are people. In Maharashtra, even if you're outsider, they will consider you as their own people.
You sure?
Yeah.
We're supposed to move to Maharashtra and we become like Indians.
Yes.
Okay. That's the Indian answer. So that's not.
That's my
We-
perception.
we want
I
to-
struggled 3 years here in Andhra Pradesh for that
Listen
thing.
to us. You don't struggle in Shillong. And after that also, we want to know about the culture differences. Like if there is difference between Andhra Pradesh culture or Maharashtra culture.
There's a vast difference between Maharashtrian culture and Andhra. This is like North and South Pole.
There is difference?
Yeah, a lot of difference.
You want to know?
Yes, we are from South.
Yeah.
Now we are staying in South.
Yeah.
I am from North.
Yeah.
So the vast difference. So we have attires like we wore sari. We have Maharashtrian culture like different kind of festivals we celebrate. From January till December, our festivals are endless festivals. Every month we will find different things. And our attire belongs to like sari. Then nathni we call it as nose pin, but
Yeah.
in Marathi it is called as nathni.
Yeah.
Then we'll put
What?
nathni.
Okay.
Then we have to put the tikki. Then sari. You have seen sari, right?
Obviously, I'm in India.
No, but the sari attire is different.
Yeah.
Here in Andhra Pradesh, they have sari, but they wear in very different manner. And the culture here, they also have like numerous festivals every now and then compared to Maharashtra. Their style is different, our style is different.
So you guys have like different when it comes to culture.
Very vast difference. Vast means vast.
What about like religion? Like everybody's Hindu, right? But there is difference between like Hindu religion from north and south.
Here also there are. I haven't come across to this thing because I don't believe in this. But there are cultural, religional things. Loads.
Okay. And also, what about the when it comes to development and everything? When it comes to the city,
Okay, yeah. So Maharashtra, it's developing, but compared to Visakhapatnam or Andhra Pradesh, it's underdeveloped. So in Maharashtra, you will find more IT companies. The food is very good. People are educated. Wherever you go, you can talk in English. At least people can understand you. Compared to Visakhapatnam, no. People will not understand you. Here people don't know Hindi, at least, which is our national language. People don't know our national language. Me as an outsider, I was suffering with the language first of all. Now I can talk in Telugu also, but now it's okay. It's 3 years
You
now.
can speak Telugu now.
Yeah, I can speak in Telugu now.
She lied. She cannot speak
I can
Telugu.
speak in Telugu.
They cannot speak Telugu.
Then
So like compared to Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh underdeveloped.
yes, yes, obviously yes.
Ah.
You will find IT park everywhere. In every part of the corner, you'll find IT park. People are well educated. Everyone is like you can go chill. Even chilling place are more in my place compared to Andhra
You will
Pradesh.
chill in here also. Don't lie here. But when it comes to like security wise, like when it comes to be safe, like the safe place and all between Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, be honest, when it comes to safe place.
See, I haven't come across to any those kind of thing in Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
I feel this place is also secured, but in my place, I stay in Pune, where their girl can go night, like night also she can go roam outside. It's that safe. I haven't come across in Visakhapatnam. I don't travel in nights. There I used to work. So
You don't travel in night.
No, I am not traveling in night. So,
Okay.
but like girls can travel there in night. There are IT says girls who do night shifts and all.
But
So it's
but
secured.
if you want to make the comparison, like compare Andhra Pradesh to Maharashtra,
For
which state is more safe?
Maharashtra.
For me, it's Andhra Pradesh.
For me, it's Maharashtra.
For me, it's Andhra Pradesh because in Andhra Pradesh, I never close my door. I can go wherever I want to go and like everything, For me, it's Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is more safer than everywhere here.
For
And
me, it's Maharashtra.
no, because you're from Maharashtra. Be honest.
I
Andhra
am
Pradesh-
very honest. I'm
Andhra
very
Pradesh is
honest.
more
As a
safer
girl,
than-
I am very honest. See, whenever I walk on road, people stare me that they haven't seen a girl. So for me, it's insecure. So I don't feel this is security.
These people, they just want to discover more. Not like they want to rape you or something
no,
like
it's
that.
not
But
about rape. But even I don't like. I feel secure there.
Andhra Pradesh is the safest state in India.
Okay.
Yeah, especially Visakhapatnam.
Because you staying here. That's why.
Yeah, and also when it comes to human beings relation. Okay. For example, as foreigner having a girl in Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra, which state is more easier to have like a girlfriend?
Both states are difficult, man, because we are in India and the culture of having boyfriend to family restriction is never acceptable.
But wait. When it comes like open-minded,
Maharashtra is open-minded. Maharashtra is open-minded. Not in Andhra Pradesh. I haven't seen those kind of things. People are not open-minded.
are you sure?
Yeah, I think so. I haven't come across to those people who are open-minded. Where you go into my place, people can talk with you so freely and anything. Even they can share with you deepest and darkest secret. But not here. People show something and they are something. This is case in which I came across.
Okay.
It's everything my perception. Okay.
So basically, when you take like overall, Maharashtra state is better than Andhra Pradesh.
Obviously, yes, 100 times
No,
better.
Wait, for you or like in general?
In general also. In general, yes, comparatively. You can ask anyone.
I don't know. That's why I asked you.
No, you can. It's genuine answer.
Okay. Okay.
And if you compare food, oh my god. I just love vada
I
pav.
forget about that. Yeah.
Food. I just like vada pav in Maharashtra. See, I am very cribble. I'll cribble a lot in Andhra Pradesh just because of food. I don't get proper food. Whatever I want, we don't get pav, we don't get misal, don't get pav bhaji. Even we don't get vada pav. That is the famous dish in Maharashtra. That is famous dish in Maharashtra. But when it comes to Andhra Pradesh, you'll everywhere find idli. That's south food. Idli, dosa. Not even the chutney which I eat in Maharashtra. That's it.
Just for me, what I like about Andhra Pradesh is safe, it's secure, and things are easy here. Things are more easier than north part.
Nature wise, Andhra Pradesh is good. Nature wise.
Okay.
You can see beaches.
That's the one we want to know. So basically,
Beaches.
Maharashtra state is better than Andhra Pradesh.
In nature wise. In Andhra Pradesh you can see beaches, then more natural places, but in my place there is no beach. We don't have beach, but even if when you go to Mumbai, there you will find Arabian Sea. This is Bay of Bengal, but this is more beautiful than compared to my city. Is polluted city nature wise.
Thank you to watch that video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This girl,
Thank you so much. I talk a lot.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For the case, don't forget to like, share, and comment below what you like about this video, and let me know what you want to know more in next video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, you told already.
No, say it.
मराठी में बोलू?
Say it.
I'll say in Marathi.
Yeah, say it.
प्लीज चॅनलवरती लाईक शेअर सबस्क्राईब आणि कमेंट करा.
In English.
प्लीज डू लाईक शेअर सबस्क्राईब अँड कमेंट ऑन दिस व्हिडिओ. इन हिंदी वन मोर टाइम.
Yes.
Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. That is English.
Peace. Welcome to East Monarchist, the French boy.